Welcome to Nifty Wellness. Today, we're diving into Haircare 101, tips and tricks for shiny hair. Let's unlock the secrets to lustrous, radiant locks that turn heads. Did you know that ending your shower with a blast of cold water can work wonders for your hair? It seals the cuticles, preventing moisture loss and enhancing shine. So, the next time you shower, dare to go cold for that extra shine boost. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Tailor your products to your hair type and concerns. Avoid sulfates and opt for ones with natural oils and proteins. This simple switch can transform your hair's health and shine. Remember, overwashing can strip your hair of natural oils, leaving it dull. Aim for 2 to 3 times a week using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo for naturally shiny hair. Hair oils are your secret weapon. Argan, coconut, and jojoba oils work wonders. Apply a bit, focusing on the ends, and leave it overnight. Wash it out in the morning for silky, shiny locks. Proper brushing is more than detangling, it's a secret to shine. Use a natural bristle brush and gently distribute your hair's natural oils from root to tip to add a glossy sheen. After blow drying, switch to the cool shot on your hairdryer. It sets your style and seals the cuticle, reflecting light for a brilliant shine. Shiny hair starts from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins does wonders. Foods like salmon, eggs, and spinach boost your hair's natural shine. Use a hydrating mask or conditioner regularly to keep your locks moisturized and gleaming. Lastly, protect your hair from heat styling tools with a heat protectant. It minimizes damage, ensuring that enviable shine stays put. Follow these simple steps for shiny, head-turning hair. Thanks for tuning in to Nifty Wellness. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and stay beautiful.